Hey, what's up guys? You can convert this boring wireframe in a polished UI design in a couple of minutes for free using Google Stitch. And today we're going to do that, and Google Stitch allows you to copy the frames and import them in Figma. So let's head towards the Google Stitch and make sure you have already subscribed to the channel, and if not, then you'd be missing a lot of exciting videos which we are going to upload soon. So here we are in Google Stitch, and you can see this is an example design which is created using this wireframe, and Google has converted this into a polished UI design. You can look at the prompt: photo library app with semantic image recognition, UX ease, sidebar, library details view. And that is just a simple prompt and just an image, and you can see the polished design created by the Google Stitch. And do let me know in the comments if Google Stitch is going to kill the UI designers. So you can see all other examples. If you have created images using the prompt, then you can simply copy them. You can copy them to clipboard, or you can simply open them and copy them from here as well, and you can get the code as well. So that is a killing thing because the design is already generated. It is using Tailwind CSS to get the styles, and you can simply copy this code and put it in your development framework, and you can just get these screens designed and developed in couple of minutes, and that is completely free for now. So do let me know if this is going to kill the UI designers and the UI developers. So let me just copy this and let me show you. If I go to the Figma, and I can just simply paste it here, and you can see the copied screen is pasted here. But now you can see there are a couple of glitches which definitely you can fix them in Figma. But yeah, but it did a good job, and it has created the auto layout as well, guys. So definitely it has broken the auto layout for some of the other things, because that is just something from HTML to a Figma design. But you can see all your base layout is ready, and you can do it in Google Stitch quickly. So I'll just quickly show you how to do that, and just head towards the stitch.withgoogle.com. I'll put the link in the description as well. Just log in with your Google account, and you'd be seeing something like this. All the examples here on the left hand side, the big prompt box or the chat box here. You can select if you are doing it for the mobile or for the web, and you can see these some suggestive prompts. They get randomly generated every time. So let's use any of these just to start with, rather than creating something from ourselves. So let's make an app for discovering California activities and gateways. Focus on showcasing destinations, musical events, and easy trip planning. So let's say generate designs and let it do the job. It will take around a minute, and you can see it has given you the explanation, okay, what this design is going to be. So for example, you can read it here. To design an app for discovering California activities and gateways, we could include the following screens: destination delivery, event listening, trip planner, user profile settings. So it has think through the input prompt, and it is creating the design for us. So I'll just pause the video, and once the design is ready, I'll just show it to you. But yeah, meanwhile, make sure you write down in the comment if you still feel Google Stitch is going to kill the UI UX designer's job soon in the near future or not. And if you think no, then let me know why, because that would be an interesting thing to know. And now you can see it just took a couple of minutes, and it has created the awesome designs for us. And you can see we just given a simple prompt: make me an app for discovering California activities and gateways, focus on showcasing destinations, musical events, and easy trip planning. And it has given us what are the screens which we would be needing for this application. And then it asked us, do you want to proceed with designing the screens? Yes. And yes, now it has created all these screens. You can simply copy it to the Figma, or you can click on edit and describe the prompt to edit it further. If you want to make any changes, you can tweak them. You can change the color scheme from here, and when you apply the theme, it will redesign the same thing with the changed color or with the changed color scheme, changed corner radius and the font. And yep, and you can see with our changed color theme, Google Stitch has already created the designs. Then you can copy them and paste them in Figma, or you can take a look at the code which it has. You can see it has used the tailwind CSS which we have already discussed, and based on okay, it is just a notification that okay, something is copied to the clipboard, and do you want to allow it? Yes, I want to allow it to copy to the clipboard, but I'm not going to paste it in the Figma because we already seen how it works. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.